Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards. Describe a uniform you wear, at your school or company, or you wore at school. When you wear it? Who bought it for you? What does it look like? How you feel about it? Schooling is incomplete without uniform, as it is mandatory for all students to enter there in uniform only, though exceptions can be there occasionally. In my school, I used to go in uniform, which is used to be ironed properly. Since it embodies some of my most treasured childhood memories, the uniform I wore to school has a particular place in my heart. With the exception of special occasions like cultural events or sports days when we were permitted to wear casual attire, I used to wear it every day while I was in school. At the start of each school year, my parents purchased my uniform from a local store that the school had advised. Receiving new uniforms was always a thrill, because it signaled the beginning of a new session and made me feel proud and included. The uniform was understated but stylish. It included either a gray skirt for girls or dark gray pants for boys, and a white shirt with the school's logo embroidered on the pocket. Additionally, we were required to wear a maroon belt with the school's insignia on the clasp and a maroon tie with white stripes running diagonally. White socks and black shoes finished the ensemble. We wore a maroon blazer or sweater in the winter, which added to the uniform's polished and sophisticated appearance. On some days, we wore a sports uniform for physical education lessons, consisting of track pants and a white t-shirt. I felt disciplined and united when I wore the uniform. Everyone appeared the same in an egalitarian setting, regardless of background. It helped me focus more on my schoolwork and taught me the importance of simplicity rather than caring about appearances or trends. However, I felt conflicted about it because, as a kid, I occasionally wished I could dress colorfully for school. But now that I think about it, I value how the uniform represented identity and cooperation. All things considered, my school uniform symbolizes a time in my life that helped to mold me into the person I am now. It is more than simply a piece of apparel. It brings back memories of the relationships I developed with my classmates, the knowledge I gained, and the happy and developing times I had. I still cherish those times and the morals the uniform taught me, even if I no longer wear it. For watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and resources on mastering English. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you in the next video.